Nothing in life stays the same. Do you ever wonder why certain words reach your heart at certain moments? Why a reminder that meant nothing yesterday suddenly feels like it was written for you today? Perhaps because the heart hears differently when it is carrying a burden. And maybe that is why you are here right now, not because everything is falling apart, but because your soul is searching for something deeper than answers, deeper than distractions, deeper than the noise that surrounds you every day. For a few moments, allow yourself to be still. Let the world continue without you, and listen. Some tiredness cannot be fixed by sleep. You know that feeling. You wake up, you go through your day, you smile, you reply to messages, you do what needs to be done, but deep inside, something still feels heavy. Maybe you've been carrying disappointments. Maybe you've been carrying fears about the future. Maybe you've been waiting for something to change. Waiting for relief, waiting for clarity, waiting for peace. And perhaps the hardest part is feeling like nobody truly understands what is happening inside your heart. People can see your face, but Allah sees what no one else can see. He knows the worries you never speak about, the tears you hide, the prayers you whisper, and the longing that remains inside your chest. Allah says in the Quran, "And to your Lord direct your longing." Such a short verse, yet so much wisdom within it. And to your Lord, not first to your fears, not first to your worries, not first to the opinions of people, to your Lord, the one who created your heart, the one who understands it completely. And then, Allah says, direct your longing. Think about that. Every human being is longing for something. Love, peace, security, acceptance, healing. A place where the heart can finally rest. But this verse teaches us something profound. The deepest desires of the heart were never meant to be fulfilled by this world alone. Because everything in this world is temporary. People change, circumstances change, feelings change, but Allah remains, the source of every mercy, the source of every comfort, the source of every lasting peace. Many of us spend years searching in achievements, searching in relationships, searching in possessions, searching in places, and yet the emptiness remains. Not because these things have no value, but because the heart was created with a need that only its creator can completely satisfy. This verse is not telling us to abandon life. It is teaching us where our ultimate hope belongs. Hope in Allah, trust in Allah, longing for Allah. When your heart is overwhelmed, turn to Him. When you feel forgotten, turn to Him. When you don't know what comes next, turn to Him. Not because every problem disappears instantly, but because peace begins when the heart knows where to return. Whatever burden you carried into this video, you do not have to carry it without turning to Allah. Whatever answer you are searching for, begin by turning toward Him. Whatever your heart has been longing for, remember the one who created that longing in the first place. Perhaps today is simply a reminder that Allah is always near, a reminder that His mercy is greater than your worries, and a reminder that every journey of healing begins with returning to Him. If this verse touched your heart, take a moment tonight. Make a sincere dua and ask Allah for the thing your heart needs most. If this verse brought even a little peace to your heart, share it with someone who may need this reminder today. And in the comments, write the ayah of the Quran that brings you the most comfort.